were living in a kitchen that was very disjointed, so it was divided into rooms, the dining room and the kitchen. So we decided that we needed a new kitchen in order to entertain. That was our aim. We wanted to bring our families and be able to have food and be able to be all in the same room.
The reason that we chose Sigma is one of my best friends from school actually recommended us towards going with Sigma, and we actually saw their kitchen on a few occasions. We loved it, it was very spacious.
Coming to the showroom was really cool. I was able to see all the different type of storage, so it was really useful for us in order to start making a decision what was needed.
We had Martin, and he was very informative. He showed us everything that he thought we might be interested in, and we got to see all the top-notch quality things on display, and we got to pick our dream kitchen from that.
We went for a corner pantry because we had some space that we needed to utilize. We also wanted to have crates, and that is actually something that I wanted to add some wood into the design.
We decided to have something slightly different to the norm. We've got a robot hoover and we wanted it to be hidden away, so Martin made sure to accommodate that as part of our design, its own little house. We were kept well informed throughout the whole process. Martin would always update us, or Julian, one of those two, would always get in touch with us to let us know the different dates. Everything moved along really swiftly. And when we saw the kitchen, it was such a wow factor, it just blew our minds. Although we saw it with Martin in the showroom, it still sort of exceeded expectations. It's so much more functional, everything seems to be so nice and easy to get to.
We use it all the time, something that we didn't use it in the past. And now we have a rule, we eat downstairs always, and it's part of our life now, day to day.
I love the pantry most. It's just nicely put away in the corner and brilliant for putting different foods and drinks and other parts of the storage that we require away from the kitchen.
We recommend Sigma, definitely. We've been very, very pleased with the end result, and I don't think there is a better place in Cardiff to go.